Want to develop a website but don't have coding skills? Don't worry. APPSAT Web Hosting provide Website Builder as an add-on. You can build the website just by drag and drop. You can buy Website Builder along with the hosting plan, or you can buy the add-on package. It's easy to build website using Website Builder. You can buy any add-on like Elementor Pro or Divi or Oxygen Web Builder. Please note that, as per the plugin developer, we only install the plugin with license. We won't provide the license. These website builders user-friendly and easy to use. You can build responsive website, mobile-friendly. Easy to customize the website as per your future requirements. You can build SEO-friendly website. Easy to build WooCommerce website and sales funnel using our add-on package. You can do blogging by building a blogging website. All these feature just one click away. Buy our hosting plan or buy directly our add-on package. Thank you for watching.